Okay, y'all, I'm back with the TTop. I have not touched this car since the last time y'all see me driving it. So today we're gonna put the intake on. We're gonna do a little intake swap. But yeah, the main reason why I haven't touched the car, besides getting my other SN95 and a whole lot of other stuff I've had going on, the car needs brakes. Most importantly, if you know, I've mentioned before, it has no brakes, like at all, zero. So it needs brakes to the fullest, not just putting some brake pads on, it needs lines, the whole ordeal. So that's why I haven't been doing too much with it. But yeah, I decided I wanted to put the intake on at least today, get that finished, get that out of the way. So let's get to it. Besides it's not having brakes, yeah, the extreme heat. I don't know if it's hot where y'all at, but we've been getting, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, extreme heat. That and the mosquitoes, just not fun to be outside. So I've really been trying to wait till my garage gets here to get back to doing anything, but you know, gotta keep it going. So besides that, the main point of swapping the intake is because it's been leaking from the China wall, like excess oil. Nothing has really worked to seal it up and keep it from leaking, so we're just gonna go ahead and swap it. But outside of the brake issue, y'all know you've seen me drive the car plenty of times. I still do have the e-brake, so we could always use that. But yeah, engine and everything is A1. Never had any problems out of that. This right here along the China wall is where you're gonna see that oil leaking out. So we're gonna do a pure cold start. Like I said, I haven't driven a car in some weeks, so we're gonna get her started up and see how she sounds. I'm honestly surprised that she started up so easily, just because, like I said, it's been some weeks since I've cranked her up. But so of course, when I want to show y'all, it doesn't want to leak out, but yeah, that's where our leak's coming from. That's what we're gonna fix. Or I tear this one down, I do have to get the other intake off the other motor. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a part 1 and part 2 just because it's hot and the bugs are biting. So let's go back with my Foxbodies engine that we took out. This motor has a Performer RPM intake. Like I said, the one on the T-top is just a stock intake. And we're not going to use the carb. The carb is actually going to one of my friends. So we're going to take that off and just use the carb that's on the T-top right now on this. So I cannot stress enough, like usually I'm okay outside, but no, like this is miserable. Like I cannot wait for my garage to get here. So when I tell you I'm gonna rush through this, power tools only today because I don't got time. Yeah, bugs are biting, it's hot, my bug spray and oil's not doing nothing, so let's get it done. And like I mentioned in the past, this engine will be going in this SN95. Gonna be a little nitrous setup, so it'll end up getting a single plane intake. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just put the intake and the stuff in the car for now, because like I said, like it's miserable. Everything, it's too much going on. But yeah, carb going to a friend. I'm gonna finish her up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited to get this car back together. Next thing after we do, you know, the little engine stuff will definitely be the brakes. So stay tuned.